Hey, what's up? It's Amanda, and today I figured we would just hang out and put some nails on these super stubby fingers because I don't know about you, but when I don't have any nails on, I feel like I have stubby, chubby baby hands. So we are gonna do a full set of acrylic nails. And another added bonus is my coffin-shaped nail tips just came in the other day, and I found silver and gold chrome powder at a buck or two. If you don't know what a buck or two is, it's like the dollar store, but like nothing is $1. So if you have any nail-related requests, leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like anything nails. So I say let's quit wasting time and let's get started. Okay, so here is the acrylic liquid and powder I'm going to be using today. It is by Kiss. I find it to be really high quality, and these are the new coffin-shaped tips that I got. And yes, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is lightly file the tops of my nails just so the products have something to hold on to. You definitely want to do this with a very light hand. So now I am going to put my tips on and I'll catch up with you in a minute. I don't know how I'm feeling about the shape of these tips. See how rounded that is? That's weird. So I'm just gonna trim up my nails. I like to trim my thumbnails really short. It's like easier to text and stuff. And sadly, now that these tips are on my nails, I actually don't really like them because they're like really wide. So I'm either gonna have to meticulously trim with the scissors on each nail or do a shit ton of filing. So now I am going to take my little nail filer once again and just smooth out the transition between the fake nail and my natural nail. And again, you want to do this with a light hand also. Can you see the size difference? So like I have to file off that much. Crazy. So you guys have to let me know what kind of nail videos you're into. That would really help me out. Okay, so now time to file the rest of my shape. Okay, so I finally got them to a shape. I really like them. It's better than those freaking weird ass shape it was before. So now it's time to do the acrylic. So first I'm gonna put down the primer. It acts as like a bonder, so the acrylic sticks to your nail better. So I just go and tap it on my natural nail. So the secret to the acrylic is making sure that your brush isn't too wet, and scooping and then placement is also very important. So I always start up at the cuticle and just form it around, but you don't want it to be over onto the cuticle because then you will have major lifting and you don't want that. And then I'll take the brush and go around my cuticle, cleaning it up, pick up some more and shape the nail.
Oh yeah? Well, they want you to come here.
there, and then once you got the desired thickness and smoothness and everything, then you can move on to the next nail. Now don't get me wrong, I definitely wasn't this good the first time I picked up like the nail brush. It took a while. Okay, so now I'm going to put my primer on this hand now. So I am definitely not ambidextrous. I think that's what it's called when you can do stuff with both hands, right? So I struggle doing my right hand because I am right-handed. So it ain't gonna be pretty.
Another nightmare.
Oh goodness. This one, my middle finger is a freaking horror show. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy and so bad. Left hand struggles. There they are. They look so good. Going to quickly do the last filing and then we'll see where we're at. All right, now they're all filed and looking pretty fire, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna give them a quick buff. Okay, so I picked my color scheme. I am using a bright pink, a neon pink, and a nude type of pink. And of course, like I said, I'm gonna use my unicorn chrome powder. Then I'm gonna try out the two new gold and silver chrome powder that I found. And bam, I'm ready. So I'm gonna start out with the bright pink. And then I am going to do the neon pink. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's the first hand so far, and I'm gonna UV light it. So I think I'm gonna switch it up on this hand though and do like the order different. So yeah, that's gonna be really fun and exciting. I'm trying to go as fast as I can because like legit my battery is gonna die any minute now. Okay, so I'm gonna just do my second coat off camera to save some battery. You guys have to let me know which part you're more into, like the actual process with the acrylic or like glamming the nails up with the polish and the bling and all that kind of stuff. So let your girl know. Let's take a spin down gold and silver chrome dust lane from a buck or two. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty! Oh, look how pretty it looks! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks so stinking cute with the pink underneath. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try the silver. Wow, that silver chrome is so perfect. I am so freaking happy. I think I'm actually gonna try the gold on this one. Okay, so having it over a darker color definitely makes it brighter, but that's okay. Oh, look how pretty that is! I'm just gonna do this one silver. Oh my gosh, there we go. I'm gonna clean up around my cuticles, throw on the top coat. Okay, here's the finished product. I love them, but I also hate them because I did a little bit of a fail. I tried to go overboard, but I think this looks like fire or lava or like just amazing. This silver chrome powder is like so good also. Love them. I even love the lighter polish. Oh, looks so great. But I tried to do like these, I don't know, little like leopard print. I don't even know. I just tried to go super extra. I don't know how I feel about it. Anyways, guys, I am gonna get running because my battery is still like flashing the fuck at me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I did my nails. Don't forget, if you have any nail requests, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go, and you might as well follow me on all my socials to keep up with everything. And with all that being said, guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.